Hey, what's up guys? Today, we're going to show you how to use dynamic row-level security in Power BI. Alright, so let's start by getting to know the data model. We've got 4 tables here: fact_sales, roles, role shop mapping, and role brand mapping. The roles table is connected to both the role shop mapping and role brand mapping tables with a one-to-many relationship. And the fact_sales table is currently disconnected. So, that's how it all fits together. Okay, so let's take a look at the roles table. We've got 3 roles here: brand owner, shop owner, and admin. Here's what we need to do. The brand owner should only be able to see the brands that are assigned to them. The shop owner should only be able to see the shops that are assigned to them. The admin should be able to see all the data. So, that's the plan. To set up the role, you'll need to head over to the Modeling tab and click on Manage Roles. Then, hit New and rename it as Dynamic Role. In this demo, we're just gonna create one role that'll handle all our requirements. The cool thing about this approach is that we can just add a single security group to this role in the service, so there's no need to change anything on the Power BI service side later. Let's apply a filter condition on roles table first. Now, switch to the DAX editor and type in email equals user principal name. The email column is available in the roles table. User principal name function is a DAX function that returns the email address of the logged in user. So, that's how you can get the email address of the current user. Let's check out the results. We can use the View As option and enter John's email to see what he would see. If you look at the table, you'll see that the email and role name are showing up correctly. But the sales by date visual hasn't changed. That's expected, though, since we haven't applied any filter conditions to the fact_sales table yet. So, everything's looking good so far. Let's continue editing the dynamic role. We can apply filter on fact_sales table. Here is the DAX expression. First, we are defining _role variable and assigning the logged in user's role. Similarly, we are assigning the role ID in the _role ID variable. Then, finding the authorized shop list. Next, finding the authorized brand list. Finally, we are defining a variable _final filter. Based on the user role, it is switching the filter condition. At the end, we are returning the _final filter variable. Let's take a look at the results. If you look at the sales by date visual, you'll see that it has changed. John is the owner of the ABC brand, which is why the report only shows sales for the ABC brand. Now, let's check out Amy's view. She is a shop owner and is only supposed to see shop 504. It appears to be working correctly. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any thoughts or feedback, feel free to drop a comment below. Want to see more videos like this? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks again.